Hey, my name's Eric Wyman. I'm with Wyman Plumbing and Mechanical, and we're here on the border of Paradise Valley in Phoenix, and we're running a new gas line today. Right down below here is where the meter is. That's the main feed for the gas line. This is where we came up through the roof, and then right up to our first fixture here, which is the AC unit. We installed a brand new flex line, brand new shutoff, all brand new piping, and then we carry on and go down towards the water heater. The homeowner here had a couple leaks going on inside the house. With making the repairs, there would have been lots of opening the walls. I hopped up on the roof, and you can see some of the rusty pipe there, so we discussed just doing a whole reroute. So if you have a gas leak, this is a great alternative rather than tearing up the walls inside your home. There's multiple ways to do it. This one we are running on top of the roof. This was the best way that we figured out to do it, so that's how we did it.